Busy day on the homestead. Yesterday we went up to our road trip, and today I just don't feel like cooking. So I love the idea that I have ground beef already cooked. And I've got bacon that needs to be used up already cooked. I got a bell pepper that needs to be used up. I got garlic. Then I broke it apart and took the skin off, so it needs to be cooked. I got leftover pizza sauce. I got a leftover onion that needs cooked. I got out my Italian seasoning from Thrive. I got my whole tomatoes from this company, Di Fratelli, and they're non-GMO, which is a really good deal. I got my organic pasta. I got sourdough rising. We got dishes washing. We got clothes washing. Hanging out on the line. Oh my gosh. Wednesday's busy day here at the homestead. Also, this is going to be my one pot chili. I'm going to boil my pasta in here, and then everything else is really kind of done, except for like the peppers. They're not cooked, or the onions, but then I'm going to dump out that water with the spaghetti in there, throw all this stuff in there, and bada boom, bada bing, I got one pot spaghetti today. Probably have enough to make spaghetti pie. If you've never had spaghetti pie, you don't know what you're missing.